Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to solve unable to activate Touch ID this iPhone, iPad issue solve. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, now tap on iPhone setting. Scroll it down. Now tap on accessibility. Now tap on home button. And tap on reset finger to open turn on, and after this go back, scroll down. Now tap on Good Assist. Now tap on passcode setting and tap on Touch ID turn on. After this go back. Now tap on Touch ID and passcode and enter your passcode and delete your fingerprint. And after this go back and power off your iPhone. Quickly up down and tap on power button. And tap on power off. Normally on your device, waiting few seconds and enter your passcode. Clean and dry your fingerprint. And open. Remove any protector sheet and again dry clean your fingerprint. And tap on your setting. Now scroll down and tap on Touch ID and passcode. Enter your passcode and enter your add a fingerprint and touch your fingerprint. Manually access it. Now tap on continue. Now tap on continue and add your fingerprint. Now off and your fingerprint is accessed. After doing all steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.